Hello, and welcome. Losing weight is one of those goals that many people set for themselves. They start full of motivation, try a few trendy diets, and hit the gym every day, only to give up after a month or two. Why? Because they expect quick results and believe that a short burst of effort will solve everything. But here's the truth. Weight loss isn't about a temporary fix. It's about long-term consistency, creating habits you can stick with for life. Imagine this. You decide to get fit. For the first 2 weeks, you're eating salads, avoiding sugar, and hitting 10,000 steps daily. You step on the scale, see some progress, and feel great. But then, something happens. Maybe it's a birthday party where you overindulge, or you're too tired to cook and grab fast food instead. You feel like you've failed, and soon, old habits creep back in. That's the cycle most people fall into, but it doesn't have to be that way. To truly lose weight, you need to think beyond the short term. Start with your mindset. Instead of asking, how fast can I lose 10 kilograms? Ask, how can I change my lifestyle to feel better and healthier every day? The answer lies in making sustainable changes, not extreme ones. For example, your diet doesn't have to be about cutting out all the foods you love. Love pasta? Great, keep it. Just learn to balance it with plenty of vegetables and lean proteins. Portion control is your best friend. Instead of swearing off chocolate forever, allow yourself a small treat once in a while. The key is consistency, not perfection. Here's something many people forget. Your body needs proper nutrition to support this process. Vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron, and vitamin D play a huge role in keeping your energy up and helping your body recover from workouts. Protein is essential for muscle repair, while healthy fats keep your hormones balanced. Without these nutrients, losing weight becomes harder, and you might feel tired or even unwell. But how do you know if you're truly giving your body what it needs? This is where monitoring your health becomes crucial. A blood test can reveal deficiencies in important vitamins and minerals, or even hormonal imbalances that might make weight loss harder. For example, low thyroid, hormones, or insulin resistance can significantly slow your progress. By working with a doctor, you can identify these issues early and address them properly, whether through dietary changes, supplements, or medical treatment. And it's not just about nutrition. Understanding how your body works is equally important when it comes to exercise. Did you know that a poorly performed squat or barbell lift can not only slow your progress but also lead to injury? Everyone's range of motion and body mechanics are different. Seeing a specialist, such as a physiotherapist or personal trainer, can help you learn how to perform exercises correctly for your unique body. They'll teach you how to optimize movements like squats, deadlifts, or even simple stretches, ensuring that your form is safe and effective. Even something as seemingly straightforward as cardio exercises, walking, running, or cycling, requires attention to detail. Incorrect posture while running or walking can lead to joint pain or injuries over time. A specialist can analyze your gait, recommend proper footwear, and guide you on maintaining correct posture to prevent these problems. Remember, your body is incredibly adaptable but also susceptible to strain. Injuries can not only delay your progress, but also demotivate you entirely. Prevention is always better than cure. Exercise works the same way. You don't have to spend hours at the gym or kill yourself with cardio. Find something you enjoy. Maybe it's dancing, hiking, or just going for a walk. The best workout is the one you'll actually do. And don't forget strength training. It's not just for building muscle, but also for improving your metabolism, so your body burns more calories even when you're resting. Another mistake people make is focusing only on the physical side of weight loss and ignoring the mental part. Stress, lack of sleep, and emotional eating are often the biggest barriers to success. Poor sleep messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave junk food. Stress raises cortisol levels, which can lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. That's why managing your mental health is just as important as your diet and exercise routine. Practices like meditation, journaling, or simply setting aside time for yourself can make a big difference. It's also worth talking about hydration. Drinking enough water is often overlooked, but it's essential. Staying hydrated helps control hunger, keeps your metabolism working efficiently, and supports your energy levels. Start by drinking a glass of water before each meal. It's a small habit that can have a big impact. And here's one final thing. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's. Social media is full of transformation stories that can make you feel like you're not doing enough. But remember, everyone's body is different. Your progress is your own, and the only person you should compete with is the version of yourself from yesterday. So, what's the secret to healthy weight loss? It's not celery juice or detox teas. It's patience. It's small, sustainable changes that you can stick to for life. And yes, it takes time. But think about it. What's a few months of effort compared to a lifetime of feeling good in your own skin? Forget the fad diets and unrealistic goals. Start small, stay consistent, monitor your health, learn how your body works, and trust the process. The results will come. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe and like this video. That means a lot to me. See you next time.